Are you looking for the best snowboard wax kits in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best snowboard wax kits that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Race Wax Elite Ski Snowboard Wax Kit. The feature of the adjustable temperature of this snowboard wax kit will make sure there will be custom operation. It is perfect for people who are looking to have easy tuning at home. Moreover, you will also find an edge tool that can make multiple angles. This can be perfect for both the side and base, and the maximum power is 1000 watts. Additionally, this will help in excellent wax distribution as it comes with a fixed base plate. You can maintain a precise angle, and it has high-quality construction. Furthermore, you will find many other tools including a large bag. At number 4. Demon Mechanic Plus Snowboard Tuning Kit. In this snowboard wax kit, you will find an easy temperature dial so that there will be multiple heat options. The iron has a dual voltage option, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. Moreover, the product is very durable and includes many accessories. With the nylon brush, you will be able to remove thick wax. Furthermore, it also comes with a polished pad and a wax scrubber. Additionally, this is available in a compact design and includes a storage bag with multiple pockets. At number 3. Demon Complete Plus Ski Tune Kit. The ability to deliver exceptional performance makes this snowboard wax kit a highly dependable product. With this, you can have smooth waxing, and it comes with all the necessary tools. Additionally, it comes with a travel-friendly iron that has the feature of adjustable temperature. Moreover, you can use it anywhere you want with dual voltage compatibility. This also has binding replacement hardware along with a flat file and a wire brush. Furthermore, it includes premium wax and is available at an affordable value. At number 2. XCMAN Complete Ski Snowboard Tuning and Waxing. If you love tuning snowboards right at your home, then this can be the right one for you. This comes with an edge tool so that you can have better flexibility. Moreover, the snowboard wax kit is very durable and includes many accessories. In this, you will find an adjustable wax iron that allows you to maintain the perfect temperature. Additionally, the iron has a unique curved plate that can be ideal for a cup of melted wax. Furthermore, the large tool bag will allow you to have easy access and makes sure there will be perfect organization. At number 1. XCMAN Snowboard Tuning Waxing Kit. The multiple tools of this snowboard wax kit will make sure there will be perfect maintenance. This has a dual voltage iron that allows you to choose from multiple temperature levels. Moreover, it has an adjustable side edge tool that can be perfect for any file size. Additionally, it has multiple brushes, and it lets you have hassle-free usage. This comes with a convenient bag that can hold the complete kit. Furthermore, this will offer you many options as it can tune, polish, and wax. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.